Hello guys, this is your channel Tech Unleashed. So it is a must-have skill to be able to use code hosting platforms for version control and collaboration like GitHub, Bitbucket and GitLab. So whenever we want to read some file on these systems, we face some problems and it is quite irritating that how time consuming it can be. So if you want to use only one tab, you would have to go back and go forth to navigate between the files. And when you want to use multiple tabs, and that would consume quite a lot of your memory. But if you want to use version control systems and read some files within your IDE or text editor, it is quite difficult and time consuming because you would have to download that source code and then navigate those files you want to read in your IDE or text editor. So basically there is a tool that I came across that was quite interesting and that solves this particular problem. You don't have to install anything, you don't have to do anything else. What you have to do is just add 1s in the address bar after GitHub. So the address bar will be https colon slash slash github1s.com slash your repository. So basically it is as simple as that. You just have to add 1s in the address bar after GitHub, and you will see that a Visual Studio Code, that is quite popular text editor among developers. The repository you want to read, you want to see some code in some specific files, all will be open in that Visual Studio Code text editor within the browser. And if you want to edit the files, you would have to run Docker containers. So this tool GitHub 1s is as simple as that, and I thought it was a very interesting tool because it is very popular among developers nowadays, and it has over 17,000 stars, and to be very specific, it has 17.4 thousand stars, and it is quite new tool, and it has 400 plus forks. So I would recommend that you should check out this tool because it saves a lot of time, and you don't have to irritate because the tool GitHub 1s is already here. So please like, share, comment on the video, and please subscribe our channel Tech Unleashed. Thanks guys. Fi amanillah.